Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your iPhones after 17.4.1 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, they are facing an issue of Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. That their Wi-Fi keep disconnecting and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then tap on scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply forget your Wi-Fi network and then reconnect them. So guys, to do this you have to simply go back and then go to your Wi-Fi. Now tap on this eye icon. Now tap, first of all, copy the password of your iPhone. From here you can simply copy your Face ID. By using your Face ID you can simply copy your password. Copy it, then forget this device. Disable the Wi-Fi, enable it back. Tap on your network, paste your password, and done. After this step, when you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply check your date and time settings. So guys, you have to make sure that your date and time settings are set correctly. You have to scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down again and then tap on date and time, and you have to make sure that set automatically is enabled on your iPhone. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, then you have to do is simply reset your network setting. This will reset all settings like Wi-Fi password, VPN and APN settings. So guys, you have to do is simply scroll down and then tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.